Robert from Webster has some seepage mystery issues.
It's not what you think. It's actually a small spot on the living room floor, and they have a porcelain tile floor there. So Robert writes, it just started last month after Harvey. We had our foundation leveled, and they redid all the flooring, and the seepage only began last month. So he sent this picture in of it right here. See, it's right here in the middle of the floor. Mm-hmm. And I like the close-up shot, just in case you missed
Circled.
it. Okay, that's it. Just to make it easy. Thank you, Robert. We appreciate that.
Yeah.
So anyway, he says the entire first floor is laid with porcelain tile. None are cracked. There's no drain or source water pipes in the area, and the water main comes in on the wall, but not through the slab, and the water bill hasn't gone up. So, I mean, he's checked all the boxes trying to figure this out. Robert wants to know what you would do to address this and figure out the leak.
I think it's just a yard drainage issue.
Do you?
I really do, because you had Harvey, you had your foundation raised, you're getting water up underneath your slab, it's not draining positively away from your home. I really suspect that's the only issue you can have. There's no plumbing lines under there, there's no drain lines under there. If that's the case, and you say there's not, I've got to believe you. So there's only one thing it's going to be. It's not going to be a roof leak, it's in the middle of the floor. It's going to be yard drainage. And with Harvey, people have noticed a huge difference, and it's still shifting and compacting today.
There are weeds that people never had before, and Harvey really did a number. And even though it's been a few years, we're still feeling the impact of it. And Danny, our Garden Pro host on Home Show Garden Pros on Saturday mornings at 7 a.m. on Sports Radio 610, just in case you want to listen before Tom comes on. Anyway, he talks about this thing of compaction, that as the rain and all that keeps coming, the soil keeps compacting, and that can cause runoff issues like you're talking about.
Well, and also they raised the slab a little bit because they had to level it, right?
Right.
So it causes a bigger void up underneath there.
And so the
water is just slowly migrating and coming in. Look at my hands. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, yes.
Hang on a second. Let's do it together here. There we go. Look at the water.
But I really think that's what it is. And you know who can handle that is Tom at Family Landscapes.
Oh, without a doubt. He's
a drainage expert.
Expert at drainage, and he can get your yard shaped up, ship-shape. All right, you got a question? We'd like to help you get ship-shape with your question, even if it's about Shirley She Shed. You can send it to us. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. And subscribe to our channel and click the bell, and you'll know when we post a new one.